Good morning, children. Today we are going to revise chapter 14, Time. Clocks and watches show the time of the day. They usually have hour and minute hands. Some watches have a second and two. Here is a clock in which this shorter hand is for hour hand and this longer one is for minute hand. On 12 there is 0 minutes, or we can say 60 minutes. On 1 there are 5 minutes, on 2 10 minutes, on 3 15 minutes, on 4 20 minutes, on 5 25 minutes, on 6 30 minutes, on 7 35 minutes, on 8 40 minutes, on 9 45 minutes, on 10 50 minutes, on 11 there are 55 minutes. And these short lines are showing the minutes between these two numbers. So 0 के बाद क्या आता है 1. So this is for 1, then 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Similarly from 5 to 10 it will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Now how we will read and write time. So here on 12 we will say the time as o'clock. So it will be 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock and so on. On 1 it will be 5 minutes past, on 2 it will be 10 minutes past, on 3 it will be quarter past, on 4 it will be 20 minutes past, on 5 it will be 25 minutes past, on 6 it will be half past, on 7 it will be 25 minutes to, or we can say 35 minutes past. Then on 8 it will be 20 minutes to, or we can say 40 minutes past. On 9 it will be quarter to. On 10 it will be 10 minutes to, or we can say 50 minutes past. On 11 it will be 5 minutes to, or we can say 55 minutes past. See, this is 2 o'clock, then 2:05. 2 are 5 minutes. It will be said as 5 past 2. Then 2:10 is 10 past 2:10 is 10 past 2. 2:15 is quarter past 2. 2:20 20 past 2. 2:25 25 past 2. 2:30 it will be half past 2 or 2:30. 2:35 25 to 3, or we can say 35 minutes past 2. Then 2:40 20 to 3, 20 minutes to 3, or we can say 40 minutes past 2. 2:45 quarter to 3, because अब जो टाइम है वो किस पे आने वाला है 3 o'clock पे. That's why we will say quarter to 3. On 2:50 it will be 10 to 3, or we can say 10 minutes to 3 or 50 minutes past 2. 2:55 5 minutes to 3 or 5 to 3 or 55 minutes past 2. This will be 3 o'clock. There are some questions in your book in which you have to tell that the time is in AM or in PM. This AM means antemeridian and this PM means primeridian. AM is before noon and PM is after noon. So if we will say 5 o'clock in the morning, we will write this as AM because morning का time है यहाँ पे. 8:35 at night we will say as PM because night है. 12 noon, this is afternoon, so we'll say it as PM. In the morning, AM. Midnight will always be AM. Evening is also PM. Night AM because 2 at night है. After 12 AM वाला है तो it will be AM. 12 minutes past noon, so it is noon. Noon will be PM. Afternoon PM. 12:30 night, so 12:30 after 12 हो गया है, that's why it is AM. Now there are some more questions in which you have to find the time duration. So if we will say number of hours between 6 AM and noon, so noon is 12. So from 6 AM to 12 PM, how many hours will be there? You have to count it will be 6 hours. Number of hours between 7 p.m. and midnight. Midnight again 12 p.m. So from 7 p.m. to 12 a.m. you have to find the time, and it will be 5 hours. Then number of hours between noon and midnight, and noon is 12, midnight is also 12, so 12 to 12 it will be 12 hours. Similarly, we can find the time duration. How to convert time? So you should learn these terms to convert time. In 1 minute there are 60 seconds, or we can say 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour, or we can say 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 1 day is equals to 24 hours. 1 week 7 days. 1 month 4 weeks, or we can say 30 days. 4 weeks, that means 30 days. In 1 month there are 30 days. In 1 year there are 12 months. There are some more terms, that is in 1 year there are 365 days, right? We all know that in 1 year there are 365 days. And on converting bigger unit to smaller unit, we always multiply these numbers, and from smaller unit to bigger unit we have to divide these numbers. जब भी हम bigger unit से smaller unit में convert करेंगे, we have to multiply the numbers, and when we will convert smaller unit to bigger unit, we have to divide the numbers. Okay, so these you have to remember. In 1 day there are 24 hours, in 1 hour there are 60 minutes, 1 minute there are 60 seconds, in 1 week there are 7 days, in 1 month there are 30 days, in 1 year there are 365 days, in 1 year there are 12 months, and there are 52 weeks in a year. There is one more term, that is in 1 year there are 366 days when it is a leap year. जब वो leap year होता है तब कितने days हो जाते हैं? 366 days. Now on converting time from smaller to bigger unit, we will divide the numbers. From bigger to smaller unit, we will multiply the numbers. For example, 6 hours is equals to dash minutes. So in 1 hour there are 60 minutes, so we will multiply the 6 by 60. It will be 360 because we are converting bigger to smaller, and bigger to smaller we will multiply the numbers. In 1 hour there are 60 minutes, right? 1 hour में कितने minutes होते हैं? 60 minutes होते हैं. So हम इस 6 को इस 60 से multiply करेंगे. So we are getting 360. Similarly, we will solve the other terms in which we will multiply the numbers according to the conversion number. Now here 90 days is equals to dash months. See, days are smaller than months. So here we are converting smaller to bigger unit, and for smaller to bigger unit we always divide the numbers. As we know, in 1 month there are 30 days. So we will divide this 90 by this 30. See, 30 को जब हम 90 से divide करेंगे, we are getting 3 in the quotient. So the answer is 3 months. Similarly, in this one, 120 seconds is equals to dash minutes. Again, we are converting smaller to bigger unit. We will divide the numbers. We know that in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So we will divide this 120 by 60. So on dividing the numbers, we are getting 2 in the quotient. So the answer 2 minutes. Now on adding time, time को जब हम add करते हैं, we have to use the normal method of addition. But first we will start from ones place, or we can say minutes or seconds place. So here 26 minutes and 28 minutes we have to add. It will be 54 minutes. Here in this, these are in hours. So 17 plus 9 hours will be 26 hours. Here the time is given in hours and minutes both. So first we will add minutes and then we will add hours. Here first we will add minutes and then add hours. And subtracting time is also same. When we do subtraction, first we will start from ones place. So here is the question, 25 minus 8 minutes. So 5 minus 8 is not possible. We'll take borrow from this 2. It will be 1 and this will become 15. Now 15 minus 8 is 7. 1 as it is. So 17 minutes is the answer. Similarly, we have to do other sums. and when the time is given hours and minutes both, so first we will start from minutes. So सबसे पहले आपको minutes को subtract करना है, then you will subtract hours. You can take borrow from the other numbers. So children, based on this revision, I have shared a Google Form link in the description box as well as on WhatsApp, in which 10 multiple choice questions are given. Read the questions properly and take the correct answer option. Thank you.